I am Maria Lorena Lehman, founder of the MLL Design Lab and of the Sensing Architecture Academy of Design. In today's video micro lecture, we're going to take a close look at urban architecture, specifically into design for co-creation. This looks into how urban environments, specifically urban design systems and elements, can create a two-way dialogue with city citizens to help optimize and leverage how cities can become more adaptive to listen and respond to citizen needs, challenges, and goals. When it comes to the design and planning of urban architecture, in terms of designing for co-creation, there are two primary elements to be aware of. The first is the urban design of architecture, and the second are citizen behaviors in terms of not only their behaviors, but also their insights and also their ideas, innovative ideas. And the important thing to realize is the interconnection between the two. Of course, you know that urban design, in terms of its elements and systems, and particularly in terms of buildings, influences and impacts city citizens. And this occurs because of the buildings, infrastructure, and other systems that make up the urban environment. So we can call this the design of urban elements. But we're looking at the design for co-creation. So it's not enough to simply have an urban environment impact city citizens in terms of the population. We also want citizen behavior to impact and influence the urban design of the architecture. In doing this, we have a two-way dialogue that establishes a type of co-creation. Now, one may ask, how can this two-way dialogue become possible? Really, there are different ways to establish this type of collaboration, cooperation, and evolve that into a co-creation of the urban environment, where citizens actually help the government and urban designers and planners to pull from the wisdom of the population to help inform how architecture and other urban elements and systems can evolve, grow, change dynamically, and even adapt. And for this, we take a closer look at emerging technologies, where more specifically, virtual integrations such as augmented reality can help such urban environmental architectural elements to adapt and to make sense of citizen behaviors as they are interacting with urban systems and elements. Again, it is in the sense-making of citizen ideas, behaviors, and experiential insights that the urban environment can begin to adapt and change dynamically through its buildings, its infrastructure, and other systems such as roadways, transportation, sidewalks, and even nature systems. So through design interventions or interjections such as gamification or interbuilding communication, or even using designed architecture within urban systems as beacons to create collaborative building designs, it's possible to create urban systems that allow for a new type of co-creation between citizens, designers, governance, and the buildings themselves. If you enjoyed the topic of this micro lecture, please be sure to visit the link below this video to dive even more deeply into these and other environmental design topics, including architectural design, urban design, interior design, and other environmental design emerging advancements to help make environments better for people, to help them to thrive. Visit marialorenalehman.com.